When you hear brainstorming, do you think it's just about listing as many ideas possible? That's not real brainstorming. Real brainstorming goes beyond random ideas. There's some structured methods. Let me go over them. Linking ideas, usually unrelated ones. That's association. Making connections you might not expect. That's analogy. Digging deeper, that's inquiry. Thinking about a problem from different perspectives. That's multi-angle thinking. Ready to see these methods work? Dive into Xmind Brainstorming Hub. First, enter my works and click on brainstorming. Pick the brainstorming mode you prefer. Enter your topic, then generate ideas. Invite your team to join its share in real time. Here, every idea is shared openly, and through teamwork, initial concepts evolve into impactful solutions. Turn Team talks into mind maps for clear, structured insights. Try Brainstorming Hub now